Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Jayco Luxury Motorhome, a futuristic creation that blends comfort, innovation, and engineering mastery. Jayco has always been recognized for delivering reliable RVs, but this upcoming release elevates the brand into a new era of luxury living on wheels. The exterior design of the 2026 Jayco Luxury Motorhome immediately commands attention. It features a streamlined aerodynamic body, paired with a bold stance that exudes strength and sophistication. Sleek LED light strips, large panoramic windows, and smooth sculpted side panels give it a futuristic appeal. With multiple slide-out sections and electronically controlled extensions, the exterior transforms into a spacious mobile mansion at the touch of a button. Step inside and the interior views speak for themselves. The living area feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Premium leather recliners with built-in massage and heating functions face a massive 75-inch smart TV, while panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light. Ambient smart lighting, polished wooden finishes, and modern decor complete the high-end feel. Every corner is designed to maximize comfort, space, and style, making travel feel effortless and indulgent. Moving to the kitchen view, Jayco has redefined mobile dining. The 2026 model features a full residential-style setup, complete with quartz countertops and induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a dedicated wine cooler. Elegant cabinetry, under-counter lighting, and a spacious island design make it perfect for both casual cooking and fine dining on the road. With deep storage drawers and integrated smart appliances, the kitchen blends practicality with luxury. Now for the bedroom view, where comfort takes center stage. A king-size memory foam bed dominates the room, surrounded by soft-touch walls, automatic blinds, and mood lighting that creates a serene retreat. A built-in entertainment screen, climate control, and wireless charging stations add convenience, while the ensuite bathroom feels like a spa with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and luxury fixtures. This space is designed for ultimate relaxation after long journeys. Under the hood, performance is just as impressive. The 2026 Jayco Luxury Motorhome runs on a hybrid diesel-electric system, ensuring smooth power delivery and eco-friendly efficiency. Adaptive suspension and advanced driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise, and 360-degree cameras, make every drive safe and stress-free. Entertainment extends outdoors too, with an automatic patio deck, built-in sound system, and retractable awnings for starlit evenings. Whether you're on a cross-country adventure or parked at a scenic getaway, the Jayco creates an unmatched travel experience.